In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable remote desktop in Windows 11 using the settings menu. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in remote desktop. Then click on the matching result. This will take you directly to the remote desktop settings page. Before enabling RDP, make sure that your Windows 11 edition supports remote desktop. The feature is typically available on Pro and Enterprise editions, not on Home. If your edition supports it, you will see a remote desktop toggle. Find the toggle labeled remote desktop, turn it on. When prompted, click confirm to proceed. Below the toggle, click on advanced settings. Here you can check your PC name, which you will need when connecting remotely. Also enable allow connections only with network level authentication (NLA). This is the recommended security option, and that's it. That's how you can enable remote desktop on Windows 11 through the settings app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.